Hello and welcome to a closer look at the PRIMEPATIO Patio Chair Cushions, designed for ultimate outdoor comfort. These cushions measure 24 by 24 inches and feature a unique wedge back that supports your spine perfectly. Made from 300 GSM high-density fabric, they resist sunlight and weather for over 17,500 hours, keeping colors vibrant. The waterproof poo coating protects the foam inside and makes cleaning simple with just a wipe or machine wash. At 4 inches thick, the foam provides deep, comfortable support for your hips, back, and waist. Each set includes a seat cushion and a curved back cushion, ideal for patio furniture or outdoor sofas. Experience enhanced comfort and durability with cushions built to improve your outdoor relaxation. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.